everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shinanti. So you guys already must have know from the title and the thumbnail. Yes, this video is all about my top 10 the most favorite foundation recommendation. Basically this is a foundation recommendation video, my holy grail foundations. And yes, इस वीडियो में मैं foundations की texture, like how it feels, how it performs, like कितना time तक ये stay करता है, सब कुछ share करने वाली हूँ, of course with the shade names. So if you're confused कि कौन सा foundation लेना है, because high-end foundations are really expensive. So if you're kind of like puzzle and thinking कि कौन सा लेना है, कौन सा नहीं है, कौन सा like which foundation will suit your skin type and which shade will like suit your skin tone, like of course मैं सब skin tone के लिए तो नहीं बता सकती. Of course I can speak from my skin tone. So जो भी फाउंडेशंस मैं आज दिखाने वाली हूँ वो ऑफ कोर्स मेरे स्किन टोन में तो मैच करता ही है. और माई सिस्टर इज़ ऑल्सो यूजिंग दिस द सेम शेड्स एक्चुअली, एंड शी इज़ जस्ट अ शेड डार्कर देन मी, बट ये उसको भी एकदम लाइक परफेक्टली मैच करता है. सो इन केस यू आर वॉन्डरिंग व्हाट इज़ माई स्किन टोन, आई एम NC30 इन MAC and 128 in Maybelline. So now I think this will help you to choose your perfect shade. So yeah, without a further ado, let's get started. Alright, so now let's start with the first foundation, which is this. This is Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. This is not a new foundation, of course, and if you already use this one or using this one, then you know what I'm talking about. And I've already recommended this foundation in my previous videos. If you haven't watched that under 1000 recommendation wala video, then मैं screen पे डाल दूँगी, you guys can check. So I think this foundation comes with 20 different shades for different skin tones. So yes, which is amazing because basically Color Bar is a like Indian brand, and Indian brand में इतना सारा shade like different shades बहुत कम मिलता है. So this foundation has 20 different shades for different skin tones out there. I'm in the shade FC 4.1 and this is exact match. So this foundation will give you super smooth and skin-like finish, and like even if it's medium to buildable full coverage, it doesn't feel like you're wearing something on your face. It's that lightweight, and also like 24 hours का तो पता नहीं because no one wears makeup for 24 hours, but definitely it's super long wearing. I have tried this like at least 8 to 9 hours. It stays perfectly on my face. ये बिल्कुल केकी नहीं होता. It like stays as it is. This foundation is for all the skin types out there. It's not just for oily skin or dry skin. Like any skin type people can use this foundation, and it looks like beautiful on the skin. And I think this retails for around 1000, and it completely coats every single penny. It's so good. And also it comes with a plastic tube and a pump, which makes it travel friendly too. Now let's moving on to the next foundation, which is this one. This is L'Oreal 24 Hours Infallible Foundation. अब इस foundation के बारे में नया कुछ बोलने को है ही नहीं. Everybody out there knows like how beautiful this foundation is. It's like I think it retails for 1200 rupees, and I can like bet you this foundation worth every single penny. Like this is one of the most beautiful looking foundation. Like it feels so beautiful. Like packaging की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. It's the most beautiful foundation in my opinion in the drugstore. So the texture of this foundation is so like serum like basically. Let me show you. It's runny, but trust me, if you are someone who don't like too much foundation on your face, this quantity is literally enough for you to cover your entire face. So even if you're using a good amount of this foundation for a full coverage, trust me, तब भी ये बहुत natural लगता है. Like I literally use this up to 2 pumps of this foundation, and it looks so pretty on the face. I mean ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि you are wearing something. It's so like breathable, so skin like, and also yes, it's super long lasting. Like 24 hours के लिए कोई makeup use नहीं करता है. So मैंने ये foundation up to 10 to 11 hours के लिए भी use किया है, and it was look flawless. So every time I wear this foundation, I got compliments. Oh my god, your base is looking so beautiful, so flawless. What did you use? And trust me, this foundation is so good. Even today, like मैं आज भी यही foundation like use किया है. It looks so good. You can never go wrong with this one. So whenever I'm in confusion कि what to wear, मुझे बहुत लंबा time के लिए makeup करना है. So I always reach out for this particular foundation. Like this is my like the most favorite and holy grail foundation. Alright, so the next foundation we have is this one. So if you are not a foundation lover and do not like a lot of coverage on your face, so this foundation is for you. I mean, this will give you that beautiful dewy, एकदम natural finish वाला look, and it doesn't look cakey at all. It's so lightweight and also ये काफ़ी long wearing है. By the way, I'm in the shade 135N, but this is a wrong shade. Okay, N stands for neutral and मैं हूँ warm tone में, like neutral warm में. So जब भी launch हुआ था, I couldn't find my like exact shade. जो 140Y shade है वो तब out of stock था, तो I thought कि ठीक है चलो मैं like I'm partly neutral तो ये ले लेती हूँ. Maybe it worked because there are a lot of other foundations जिसमें मैं neutral shades use कर रही हूँ, but those foundation looks perfectly fine on me. But ये इसका tint बहुत ज़्यादा like completely neutral है. So whenever I try to use this one, I kind of ended up looking like a ghost because नहीं ghost नहीं लगता है, मैं anemic हूँ. जब भी मुझे यूज़ करना होता है मैं इसके साथ थोड़ा सा warm concealer और warm foundation थोड़ा सा यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, like mixed up करके. But other than that, this foundation is so good. I think this retails for 1200 rupees and it's totally worth. So basically ये foundation का shade choose करना थोड़ा सा tricky है. Even if you are like my shade like NC30 or 128 in Maybelline, but still this shade like maybe not for you because so if you don't know your undertone, then this like choosing this particular foundation ka shade will be a little bit tricky. So first like try to find out what is your undertone and then go for this foundation. Other than that, this foundation is too good. So this foundation comes with 19 different shades, so of course you guys can totally will find your shade. Okay, so the next foundation is this one. This is a stick foundation from Makeup Revolution. I know you guys have like must be wondering कि ये क्या है, Makeup Revolution का foundation है, but trust me guys, I don't know why this foundation is so underrated. I was also a little bit skeptical to buy this one, but after that I ended up loving this foundation. So this foundation looks like this. It's kind of a lipstick. So this foundation is so good and by the way I'm in the shade F8. So इसका बहुत ज़्यादा shade है नहीं, I think 6 or 7 shade में available है ये, but this foundation is too good. I mean we all know that stick foundation is supposed to be for like normal to oily skin people, but trust me, even the most dry skin people can use this particular stick foundation. It's that good. You literally need a tiny amount of this foundation and it will give you the beautiful full coverage. But it looks so natural on the skin. That's the best part. That's the beauty of this foundation. So yeah, I mean it's totally, though it doesn't have a lot of shade options, but other than that this foundation is too good. So now let's come into the last drugstore foundation. This one. This is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. Of course everyone knows about this foundation. This is like still now this is so much on internet, and this foundation is something which basically this foundation is for all the skin types. Like even if you are super oily skin, this foundation is for you. So if you are someone who loves wearing full coverage foundation, then you will love this foundation, trust me. And ये foundation मैं सिर्फ कोई like occasions में ही use करती हूँ. This foundation is not for regular use because like lightweight है, but since it's a full coverage, no one likes to wear full coverage foundation for everyday basis, right? So this is a good investment if you're looking for a good full coverage foundation for like some parties and for any occasion basically. So this is a great option. By the way, I'm in the shade 04 medium beige, and this is a perfect match for my skin. Okay, so now let's start with the first high-end foundation, which is this one. This is NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. So alright, so if you haven't tried this one, you have already must have heard about this foundation. ये इंडिया में नहीं मिलता है, and this is really expensive. I think this retails for 4,000, which is a lot, but trust me, this foundation is worth every single penny. Even this foundation will gives you the beautiful full coverage, like no, not exactly full coverage, not completely full coverage, like medium to buildable full coverage. And like when you wear this on your face now, it just look like your skin, but better. I know I keep saying this for all the foundations, but trust me, like ये यूज़ करने के बाद इसका जो फीलिंग है ना, वो यूज़ करने के बाद आता है. So it's that beautiful. I know 4,000 सुन के बहुत लोगों को झटका लग रहा है कि इतना महंगा. Trust me, मुझे भी लगा था, but after using this foundation मुझे अब पता चल रहा है कि क्यों इसका 4,000 like प्राइस है. It's the most beautiful foundation in my collection. Like इसका अगर आपको सस्ता वर्जन चाहिए, cheaper like literally dupe चाहिए, तो you can go for this one. This like texture wise, finish wise दोनों बहुत similar है, trust me. And ये like this is for this is for 4,000, and I think this is retails for 1,200. So like almost half भी नहीं, half का भी कम है, 1/3 of this price. So yeah, ये हर एक स्किन टाइप में चल जाता है, and this foundation is so good for all the skin types out there. And by the way, I'm in the shade Punjab. This is exact my shade. So this foundation is not matte, not dewy. It has a really unique formula. If you're looking for a high-end foundation जिसमें आप invest करना चाहते हो, then go for this one, because this foundation is investment. Like makeup में ये investment ही है. So yeah, I totally like recommend this one. So the next foundation that we have is this one. This is Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. Okay, this foundation is my first ever high-end foundation. So yeah, इसके साथ मेरा एक like अलग ही connection है. Apart from that, this is such a beautiful foundation, and this foundation is also good for like with the aged skin. Like if you have a lot of like skin textures and wrinkles, because this foundation is so forgiving. ये एकदम exaggerate नहीं करता है skin texture को, उल्टा इसको like skin texture और fine lines को बहुत blur out कर देता है. So that's the beauty of this foundation. And the only problem is, so since this is a Hydra foundation, which means it's water based foundation, तो इसका ये एक ही drawback है कि like ये सब प्राइमर या फिर स्ट्रोक क्रीम के साथ नहीं जाता है. लाइक जो थोड़ा सा भी ऑयली है उसके साथ बहुत क्लैश कर जाता है, मेकअप लाइक सेपरेट हो जाता है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन कि जो प्राइमर है वो भी लाइक नॉट वो भी लाइक वो ऑयली नहीं होना चाहिए, वो मैट होना चाहिए. सो दिस फाउंडेशन इज़ अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन. Like also it will gives you that beautiful medium coverage. It's not full coverage, it will gives you medium coverage, but it's so beautiful. And yeah, I love this. I totally love this foundation. And by the way, I'm in the shade 2.3, and it's exact my skin tone. Now next coming to the another like one of the most favorite foundation in my collection, which is this one. This is Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This foundation is for all these skin types out there. Also I think Too Faced Born This Way का और एक mattifying version भी आता है. I didn't use that. So like ये फाउंडेशन ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल है मार्केट में, अभी भी लाइक बहुत चलता है ये, फॉर अ रीज़न, यू नो. सो दिस फाउंडेशन इज़ सो लाइक द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशन इज़ सो रनी, just like the NARS and the L'Oreal one. It almost feel like a serum. So this foundation will gives you medium to buildable full coverage, but it doesn't look cakey at all. Like even if you're using like two and half palms on your face, ये फिर भी like cakey नहीं लगता है. That's the beauty of this foundation. It's so lightweight, so beautiful. Again, this one of those foundation जो बिल्कुल भी जो फाइन लाइन स्किन टेक्सचर को एग्जैजरेट नहीं करता है. बहुत बहुत ब्यूटीफुल फाउंडेशन है. जितना भी फाउंडेशंस मैं आज यहाँ पे दिखा रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, एक ही रीज़न है इसको दिखाने का कि लाइक ऑल ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशंस आर सो लाइट वेट, सो स्किन लाइक, सो ब्रीथेबल. लाइक ट्रस्ट माई वर्ड्स, एंड these are the best foundations that I have in my collection. And मेरे पास और भी बहुत सारा foundations है, like I barely use them. जब भी मुझे foundations use करना पड़ता है, like करना होता है, I always go for these foundations. So yeah, I love these foundations for different reasons. Like this foundation is full coverage, but trust me, this gives you that beautiful natural finish. I know it sounds weird, like full coverage and natural finish कैसे हो सकता है, but trust me, है बहुत सुंदर है. By the way, I'm in the shade natural beige and it's a perfect match. So यहाँ पे कोई भी फाउंडेशंस में लाइक रैंकिंग के हिसाब से नहीं दिखा रही हूँ 1 2 3 4 करके, जो भी लाइक हाथ में आगे आ रहा है उसको दिखा रही हूँ. So I love all of these foundations equally for different reasons. Now next coming to this one, this is everyone's cult favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. फाउंडेशन के बारे में नया कुछ बोलने को है नहीं. Everyone knows about this foundation. I know this retails for again like 4,100 and something. I know कि ये बहुत pricey है, but trust me, if you are bride to be or if you are a makeup artist, then you should definitely get this foundation in your vanity, because this foundation again worth every single penny. This is completely full coverage, yet so like skin like, so soft on your skin, blends like a dream. Like जितना भी बोलूँ कम ही होता है. So इस फाउंडेशन का एक ही ड्रॉबैक है जो मुझे लगता है एटलीस्ट, कि बहुत लाइक जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. जनरली हम क्या करते हैं कि फुल फेस पे डॉट कर लेते हैं एंड उसके बाद ब्लेंड करते हैं, राइट. तो इस फाउंडेशन के साथ यही प्रॉब्लम है कि आपको एक पोर्शन में ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा. लाइक अगर आप फुल फेस पे अप्लाई करके फिर ब्लेंड करने जाओ तो बाकी के जो प्लेसेस है वहाँ पे पैच की तरह लाइक ड्राई हो जाता है. सो इस फाउंडेशन के साथ मैं ये बहुत फेस कर चुकी हूँ. सो एक टाइम में ऑनेस्टली मुझे ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. मुझे ये लगता था कि 4,000 आप इसका प्राइस है, बट वाई दिस, लाइक ऐसा क्यों फिनिश है. एवरीबडी इज लाइक रेविंग अबाउट दिस फाउंडेशन कि ये बहुत अच्छा है. एंड देन आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक फिगर इट आउट कि कैसे इसको यूज़ करना है. सो इफ़ यू नो हाउ टू ब्लेंड दिस फाउंडेशन, इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल फाउंडेशन, ट्रस्ट मी, एंड इट्स वर्थ एवरी सिंगल पेनी. सो ये भी बहुत शेड में अवेलेबल है. यू गाइज कैन टोटली फाइंड योर शेड. आई मीन द शेड 2W2 Ratty. This is a perfect shade for like to medium skin people. So the last foundation that we have here is this one. So this is Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Foundation and this is the shade 250W. So अब तो Rare Beauty available भी है इंडिया में, so that's why like मैंने इसको include किया है इस वीडियो में. So you guys can if you want, you guys can totally get this one. It's like honestly this is the beautiful foundation. And again ये फाउंडेशन लाइक रेयर ब्यूटी का हर एक प्रोडक्ट ये सोच कर ही बनाया गया है कि मेकअप शुड बी लाइक लाइट, नेचुरल एंड योर स्किन लाइक. सो ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू आर समवन हु डोंट like love wearing a lot of foundation with lot of coverage, this foundation is a great option in high end. It's like one of the most beautiful natural looking foundation. Trust me, ये काफ़ी long lasting है. And again, this foundation is for all the skin types out there. Even if you have super dry skin or oily skin, trust me, this foundation will look beautiful on your skin. And I personally like to blend this foundation with a brush. ब्लेंडर के साथ थोड़ा सा लाइक अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. Light coverage foundation, so I prefer to use a brush whenever I'm using this particular foundation. So that's it. These are my top 10 the most favorite foundations. So yeah, I mean क्योंकि फाउंडेशन चूज़ करना लाइक मार्केट में इतना सारा फाउंडेशंस अवेलेबल है और हर एक दूसरे दिन कोई ना कोई फाउंडेशंस लॉन्च होते रहते हैं. सो आई नो दिस इज़ सो कन्फ्यूजिंग कि कौन सा लेना है कौन सा नहीं लेना है. सो दैट्स वाई आई मेड दिस वीडियो टुडे. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and comment. And if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon, because हर एक सब्सक्रिप्शन बहुत मैटर करता है मेरे लिए. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then,